it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup tutorial featuring a mini Glossier review of their priming moisturizer rich luxurious face cream. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and want to hear about my mini review, then just keep watching, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you already enjoy this video. But yeah, let's get started. So first, we started off with moisturizer. I wanted to try out a new moisturizer because I recently ran out of, what was I using? The Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. So I've always been wanting to try out Glossier. So I'm trying out their Glossier, I was sort of reading the Spanish one. The Spanish, they have it in English and then Spanish, like, anyways. It's the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich Luxurious Face Cream. And I already tested it out. Like, I just felt it a little bit, but I wanted to like try it out today since I just got it today. It smells really good. I put it on my hand and it was just like so soft. So I want to know what it feels like on my face. It smells kind of like a cream like maybe the doctor would give you, but it's not like gross. Like, it smells good still. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking just a little bit because, you know, a little bit goes a long way. And this was actually how much? It was $35, but I used one of those codes that another YouTuber gave out. It was for like, how much off? To like 20% off, so I got it for like $28, which is not bad because I feel like I'd get the same price for another moisturizer, but I wanted to try out this. So yeah, just a little bit. Just like that. And yeah, I do have a mark on my face. I burned it while straightening my hair today. Oh well. So yeah, it feels really moisturizing. It adds like a glow to the face. Like, can you see that? It's like a glow. I like that. Put on that, and yeah, I actually think that product feels really nice on the skin. So yeah, I recommend this, and I'm gonna try to buy more Glossier products in the future. I think it's Glossier, Glossier, I don't know how to pronounce that, but people pronounce it both ways, I don't know. But I'm gonna purchase more in the future, so I'll be able to do like a whole like review on Glossier, the brand. So yeah, that's something to look forward to in the future. So yeah, the camera did zoom in a bit because I wanted to get closer to my face for this. But next I'm gonna be doing my primer, which, by the way, this Glossier stuff was a primer. Like, it was supposed to be a primer, but I mean, like, there's no sticky texture or anything, so I don't know why it's called a primer. I'm just gonna use it as a moisturizer. But for primer, I'm using NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. It's got a matte texture, kind of like clear like that. I have like oily dry combination, so usually put this in my T-zone. Next, I'm using my Burberry Fresh Glow Luminous Base Fluid. Don't know why I couldn't say that, but I like to put this on for an extra glow. I don't do this every day, but I thought I'd add a little extra something to this everyday makeup tutorial. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Clinique Even Better Glow. This is in the shade Ivory. Just a little bit. I don't like too much foundation, because I feel like the more makeup you put on, the heavier your face feels. That's just me. I don't know if anyone else feels the same. But me taking my Beauty Blender. This is just water. I ran out of rose water, so I just filled it with water. And I like tap it with my hand to like get all the excess water off. Then I'm just gonna beat this into my face. And I'm gonna add a little bit on my neck. And I'm using this kind of brush. It is a brush by Moda. It's like one of those hairbrush face brushes. I'm going to be doing my concealer. I'm using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And this is the Aqua Concealer. Just like that. I'm gonna do it up here. Chin, definitely conceal that. Conceal right here because I get kind of dark right there. And on the bridge of my nose. Use my beauty blender again, and I'm gonna blend that out. I feel like my bags aren't too bad, so I don't use a super thick concealer, but if you do, then you should probably like check out the Shape Tape concealer. I'm gonna be setting under my eyes. And I press in, I don't rub, so it like really gets into the creases. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. My eyebrows are really crazy. So I'm just gonna brush them out. I'm just gonna be showing you how to do one because I might need to go up and touch them up a bit. Now that I'm done with eyebrows, which I kind of like messed them up, but oh well. I'm gonna try to fix them. You know how you mess up your eyebrows and then there's just no going back? Yeah, that one's kind of messed up and I'm not happy about it, but it's all good. I am just concealing underneath my brow bone because I haven't plucked in a couple days. And then I am just putting more of this foundation onto my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be contouring. I'm using just a little, why can't I talk? A little bronzer. I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm using this brush by Sephora. And I'm just going in like that. Now I'm using a Real Techniques, what kind of brush is this? Base eyeshadow brush. I'm using it to contour my nose. Just contouring a little bit. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of concealer underneath my jawbone just to show them off a little bit more. See, look how much of a difference that makes. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using the bronzer that I just used. Just because it's so simple and it looks nice on any skin color. Now I'm going in with Stylin' from my Tarte To Go palette, Pro To Go palette. And then I'm just sort of smudging that right here as like a little eyeshadow. Now for highlighter, I'm using Becca Moonstone, which is good for my pale girls out there. I'm gonna spray my face first though. So my highlighter sticks. I'm letting that sit for a second. Look how pretty that is. For blush, I'm using Tarte Party. It's a really kind of like mauve-y pink. They also like kind of got some brown undertones kind of. Just pat it in. Move it that way. Down the neck. Oh, by the way, for setting, I use e.l.f. setting powder, translucent powder, just so you know. I just dab it in there. I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes and using my Burberry Jet Black, what's it called? Burberry Cat Lashes Jet Black. This is my favorite mascara right now. I just feel like it makes my lashes look so long. I added a few coats of that and like look at those lashes. Like, they look good. And lastly, I add some chapstick. I'm using the Candy Cane flavor. Thank you so much for watching this everyday makeup tutorial with a mini Glossier review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.